This Swiss diamond gray non-stick skillet is like a reliable friend in your kitchen. It boasts a tough aluminum construction. This helps heat spread evenly, so your food cooks just right without hot spots. The bottom of the pan is designed to stay flat. This means good contact with your stovetop for efficient cooking. And it won't wobble when you try to flip pancakes or stir sauces. The non-stick surface of this Swiss diamond gray non-stick skillet is special. It's made with diamond crystals, and this makes it very good at preventing food from sticking. You can cook eggs or delicate fish without them clinging to the pan. Cleaning up is also a breeze because food slides right off. Plus, the stainless steel handle stays cool while you're cooking on the stove. It gives you a good grip, and it's attached securely for safety. This Swiss diamond gray non-stick skillet offers good value for its quality. It's oven safe, so you can start cooking on the stovetop and finish in the oven. It's also dishwasher safe, making cleanup even easier after a busy meal. While it might not ship directly to Australia from all places, many retailers offer shipping options. This pan is not made by Red Chef, but it aims for similar high quality. For secure closure and easy flipping, this skillet is a great choice. You won't need special spoons that won't scratch the surface. And managing your account for purchase is usually straightforward. Pros: durable aluminum, even heat, dishwasher safe, oven safe. To 500 degrees F. Stainless steel handle, comfortable grip, easy to clean, no rivets inside, healthy cooking. Less oil. Warp resistant. Cons: can be pricey, may lose non-stick, needs low med heat, scratches possible, hand wash advised. Not for high heat, lip gets very hot, heavy to handle. Warranty issues seen, uneven wear. Reported features: 12.5-inch, non-stick, diamond coating, aluminum, dishwasher safe, oven safe, steel handle. Gray color, frying pan, skillet type. This gray 12.5-inch Swiss diamond frying pan is a skillet made with aluminum and coated with a non-stick diamond material, which helps food not stick. It has a stainless steel handle and is safe to put in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. You can also use it in the oven. This type of pan is good for frying food. This Swiss diamond frying pan is made with strong aluminum that helps heat spread evenly. It has a non-stick coating made with diamonds, so food doesn't stick, and you can use less oil for healthier cooking. It's safe to put in the dishwasher and oven. Up to 500 degrees F. The handle is made of stainless steel and is easy to hold. The inside of the pan is smooth because there are no rivets. However, this pan can cost more money, and the non-stick might wear off over time. It's best to use low or medium heat, as high heat is not recommended and can make the lip of the pan very hot. It can also get scratches, so washing it by hand is a good idea. And some people find it heavy. There have been some reports of problems with the warranty and the pan wearing out unevenly.